Since picking up the latest and greatest phone from Samsung, the S26 Ultra, which I have a review on if you guys want to check that out, I also decided to upgrade my audio setup to the latest and greatest from Samsung as well. These are the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing them and reviewing them. Alrighty, let's get into this. I'm pretty excited about them. From what I've heard, they're quite an upgrade from the Galaxy Bud 3 Pros, which I had before. Aside from the earbuds, looks like we also get a little box here. So included with the earbuds, you get your normal warranty information and a couple different sized ear tips as well. Not even a USB Type-C charging cable, which is crazy that they didn't even include that in the box. Now, right off the bat, you can see they went with a little bit of a different design with the case. I like that they kept the transparent top. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro were a vertical case, and then they switched back to a horizontal design on the 4 Pros. As far as everything here, it feels super premium like you would expect from Samsung. Very high quality hinge and snapping mechanism. So love to see that. On the back of the case, it has USB Type-C. Looks like a little pairing button, and then these do support wireless charging as well through the case. Now, popping the earbuds out, they look very AirPod-like as far as the earbud part itself, but then the stem has this nice aluminum stem on it, which looks really, really great. A little bit different. I'll show you the Galaxy Buds 3 here. Very similar earpiece design, but the Galaxy Buds 3 had this very pointed LED stem, and so they kind of did away with that design and went to this nice aluminum stem, which I think looks very classy. And these feel super well built. They have a nice, well built weight to them, but they're not heavy. They're like light. They just feel very dense. So definitely feel very premium and very high quality. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get these things paired up here. So I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth, pop the case open, and they pop up right there. Continue. And there we go. They're connected just like that. Looks like we get user agreement stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these in now. Okay, right off the bat, they're super comfortable. The noise canceling immediately kicked in there. So I'm quite muted. Right off the bat, again, these are very similar shape with the earpiece to the Buds 3 Pros. So right off the bat, they feel very familiar and very similar to the 3 Pros. But I feel like they have a better seal in my ear, and that might be, I think these are the same sized ear tips. Yeah, so I have the same size ear tips on here as the 3 Pros, but I do notice that the actual hole in the ear tip where the speaker is actually quite a bit bigger on the Galaxy Bud 4 Pros, and they are using not only bigger drivers in the 4 Pros, but they're also using dual drivers. So they have a high-end driver for the highs and mids, and then they have a subwoofer in here as well. So real quick, I'm going to go ahead and listen to some music and just see how these things sound right out of the box without adjusting anything on the EQ. Alright, so I've tried these out now with a couple of different genres of music. Went with some rap, with some heavy bass, went with some jazz, went with some rock. These things sound really, really good. Now, they are absolutely just crystal clear with the audio. You get, you can really hear all the details in the music. That being said, they are pretty bass heavy. It's nice and punchy. The music just sounds very lively. So some people may like that, some people may not. They definitely boost a lot of the bass, I think, with those woofers, and then they boost a lot of the highs at the same time with those secondary tweeters that they have in that dual driver setup. Yeah, everything just sounds really good to me personally. Again, very punchy audio, which I personally like. I like nice punchy bass in my music, but that can also be tuned out as well. So I want to show you guys the app, which you have a whole bunch of different EQ settings and things like that. So you can kind of really customize these earbuds to your liking. So first of all, to get to the app, you just go into your settings and they'll pop up right there at the top. Now at the top here, you have your different noise cancellation settings, so ambient sound, adaptive, and active noise canceling. Adaptive on Samsung Buds works really well. I use this on my Galaxy Buds 3 Pros, and I've heard it's gotten better on the 4 Pros to where you'll have noise canceling on, and then when someone starts talking to you or some sort of audio is playing, it'll immediately switch to transparency mode, and it's really quick, very fast, and then the ambient sound is so crystal clear that it's very natural and very quick, that switch. So absolutely love that. I've personally haven't found another pair of earbuds that does that quite as well. We can go in here, you have all your earbud controls, so you can pinch the little stems on the side to skip songs, adjust volume, answer and decline calls. Obviously, we have the voice controls there. Now, sound quality and effects, and we have a whole equalizer here. Now, you can adjust this yourself, customize it to your liking. They also have quite a few little presets here as well. So that's why I said if you don't like that punchiness in these earbuds, you can always adjust that if you want more of a hi-fi type sound. Because hi-fi music isn't necessarily punchy bass, it's more about clear audio. So you can go there and balance that out to your personal liking there. All sorts of different options here. What I would recommend doing is turning on ultra high quality audio and then super wideband speech. This is going to increase the audio quality quite a bit to get more of that hi-fi standard. Then obviously you have just your other features, connections, find my earbuds, diagnostic updates, things like that. These are a very nice pair of feature-packed earbuds. They sound really great, and I'm super excited to use these on a daily basis. Now, these things do have some pretty big, I'm assuming that's a microphone grill there, and then there's a pretty big microphone grill on the bottom as well. So I want to go ahead and test out the microphones on this thing. So this is the audio coming through the Galaxy Buds 4 Pros. So this is kind of what you can expect if you're using these for a phone call or recording a video like I'm doing here. This would be a great option, I think, if you wanted to use these as, like a lav mic or something like that. If you're, doing vlogging or something, or moving around a lot away from your camera, I think this could be something that could be used as a microphone and be kind of handy for those types of situations. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the audio quality down below. Now, the other thing I want to test out here real quick is the active noise canceling and see if it's anything improved from the last generation. So you can turn it completely off, which is pretty cool. And I want to test kind of just how my voice sounds. It is very, very muffled. I can already tell that things are already isolated just by the earbuds themselves. And then the ambient sound, which is really cool because you can actually adjust the volume of the ambient sound, which is just super cool. And then you can turn on like that auto switch feature, like I said before, the adaptive mode. And then I want to turn on active noise canceling, which you can also adjust the active noise canceling level as well. And this is doing a really good job. It muffles my voice, but it's it does it very naturally. So that's cool. And there's just so much customization here with not only the audio quality, but with the transparency modes and things like that, and noise canceling modes. It's just so customizable to your liking. It's just fantastic. Now, one thing I'm intrigued by that I didn't have on my Buds 3 Pros is this head gestures option. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So you can actually use this to nod to answer a call or shake your head side to side to decline a call. That's kind of cool. They obviously have some sort of like gyroscope or something in here that allows the earbuds to actually detect that head movement, which is pretty cool. Now, a couple other features that these have built in just by being with a Galaxy phone is all the Galaxy AI features. So these can do things like live translate, things like that, which is super handy if you're in another country. You can have these in transparency mode and easily have a live conversation with somebody. And I haven't personally used this, but from what I've seen, it's like really, really quick. Quick enough to, again, easily have a conversation with somebody speaking a different language. So that's a really cool feature. So overall, these things are very, very much worth the money. These are so far the best pair of wireless earbuds that I've personally used. Definitely an upgrade in sound quality over the Buds 3 Pros and other features, which were already a fantastic pair of earbuds. Honestly, I don't really have any negative things to say about these. The connection is seamless, good audio quality, fantastic build quality. Battery life from what I've seen online is good. I have yet to test that in my day-to-day life. But yeah, overall, can't go wrong with these. So if you guys want to check these out for yourselves, I'll leave a link down in the description below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review.